Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. Welcome back to another video with Geg Lucy. I'm just in the mood to film. It's like 9:30 at night. I'm just taking the risk. I've just filmed my Coraline reveal video, which will have been up quite a while back. But today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. So this is the W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar. Do you remember last year they brought out 2 advent calendars and they were the biggest pain in my asshole to open? The whole video was just hilarious because I just could not get into them. I don't know whether they watched my video, whether they listened to other people's feedback, whether it was just me, but they've done it different this year and thank God because the stress I was under filming that video was wild. So this year, it actually all comes in little boxes, which I absolutely love. So this retails for £19.95. You can use my discount code LuceStephenson for 10% off. So it takes it down to, I think I've just had a little check there for you so I knew exactly how much. It takes it down to £17.95, which is banging. And in here we have 24 doors. It says, add some glam to the holiday countdown with W7's Beauty Blast Advent Calendar. 24 days of cosmetic surprises to be discovered behind each door with must-have makeup essentials in a variety of full and travel sizes. Ooh, okay, so we've got some full and some travel size items in here. I've not even had a little sneaky preview. I have no idea what's in this one. So each door is worth 74p if you use my discount code. I don't make any money from the code or anything, by the way. It just helps to save some money, just like my Revolution one really. And just to let you know as well, they did send me this in PR. I'm not getting paid to do a video. They don't even know that I'm doing a video. Let's just get straight into it. So we have a box number 1, which is a scrunchie. This is like their silky scrunchies. I absolutely love these. You can get these like in a little pack as well. Really like these. I'll leave some other W7 videos down below if you are into W7 and you want to know a bit more about them and their products. I'll leave some of the videos that I have done. Next up we have door number 2. And obviously a scrunchie for 74p. I'd be happy with that. This is door number 2. Oh, this one opens up like this. Didn't expect that. I wonder what that was then. It's wrapped up. That was like well and truly wrapped up. It took me way too long to get into that. What is this? This is the Aye Captain liquid eyeliner, and this looks like it's full sized. And yeah, this is just what it looks like. For 74p for full size eyeliner. Amazing. That was a very good door to open up. So that was door number 2. Then we have door number 3. I do have, by the way, a full Christmas playlist. I will leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. Oh, this one's wrapped up as well. It really does feel like Christmas because it's like unwrapping them is just such a pleasant experience in comparison to last year's. And sometimes in last year's, I'd open a door and there'd be nothing inside it. So I'd go through all the effort feeling like I've just literally pushed a baby out and there'd be nothing inside it. But this is a shimmer brick. This must be a small one because yeah, definitely. Look, it's like a little, but that's a really decent size. Obviously, you can use as well as eyeshadows and highlighter and stuff as well, but you can use them as like a little bronzy bit of something on the cheeks. So that is day number 3. Buzzing with that for the price as well. Okay, really impressed so far. Then we have day number 4. Oh, I'm really enjoying the tissue-y part of it. It just feels like a surprise. Ooh, we have a lip liner. This is the W7 Lip Twister lip liner in Malbec. Do you know what? I understand now why they've put so much like marketing behind it. Like I've seen this all over their Instagram, all over their YouTube, and I thought, ooh, they're really pushing the advent calendar this year. Just from opening like the first 4 doors, totally get it compared to last year. This is unbelievable. So this is what this one looks like. And I actually quite liked last year's because the stuff was so cute. It was just an absolutely like adorable size. And it was products that were like part of their main collection, just like smaller ones for you to try. And I prefer that instead of just like random advent calendar makeup. So this is what day number 5 looks like. And we have, again, a little tissue surprise. Ooh, we have a blush. This is the Blush Rebel in the shade Teach Me. I couldn't see then. This is just what it looks like. Ooh, and this is what it looks like open. I wonder if I actually have this. Yeah, I actually have this in the, so this is the full size version. That looks different. I think they are the same. They both got the same name. But this one definitely looks different. Please let me know, do you want me to do a video testing what's in this advent calendar, by the way? Because if I have time, I will definitely do that. But yeah, please do let me know. So that is day number 5. And then moving on to day number 6, we have like a thin, skinny one. Oh, I'm really enjoying this advent calendar. It's just so much less traumatic than last year's. I know I keep saying it, but I'm just very pleasantly surprised. Ooh, what's this? We have the W7 Eye Lust, the ultimate mascara for sexy eyes. So this, it looks like a really nice, like deluxe travel size one. Oh wow, it's like a full brush in it. Come through. So that was number 6. And then we have day number 7, which is like a little smaller, little fatty one. And then this one is, oh, it's a lipstick. So this is, I'm sure this is the same size as what was in the advent calendar last year. It might even be a bit bigger. No, it might be the same size. This is the W7 Lippy Cheek Ultra Cream Lipstick. And it just looks like this. It's like a really like rusty, like burnt-y, ready colour. I like that a lot. And then the box next to it is the exact same size. I'm going to guess it's either a lipstick or maybe like a lip gloss in number 8. Ooh, it's a different tube to this other one. Oh no, it's not. It's actually a travel size of the It's Glow Time Radiant Primer, which is perfect literally to travel with. I was going to say that then, and I thought that's actually a very stupid thing to say because that's why it's travel size. Bad boy. Oh, we have a King Cole. Oh my god, I'm dropping it. A King Cole Blackest Black eyeliner. And then moving on to day number 10. Day number 10 and 11 are like the same size boxes. I am really, honestly, really enjoying. Ooh, so we have a lipstick, another one. This is the Lippy Cheek Ultra Cream Lipstick. Again, but this one, oh, this one's in the shade Gossip. I can't remember what the other one was called. I don't know if I noticed that. That's what that one looks like. A really pretty shade again. It's weird not to see a red. Normally, like, you get so many red colours in advent calendars, but it's quite nice to see 2 different colours. And then we have day number 11, which could be a red, or it could be a completely different product, for all we know. Oh yeah, it is. So it's another one of the Lippy Cheek lipsticks. This one's in the shade Free Speech. Do many people wear these colours? Do people wear them colours much? I don't know. I don't know. That is day number 11. Moving on to day number 12, which is like a little square one, and day number 13 is like the exact same size. What I will say is like the advent calendar is like the numbers are very close, like you move across one to the other. Would it be nice to have them like all mixed up so like you're really looking for the numbers? I don't know if that's just me though. This is the Glow Commotion Shimmer Highlighter Eyeshadow, which looks like this. And then inside is this beautiful colour. So that's day number 12. And then like I said, day 13 is the same size. So I'm assuming it might be like another powder, maybe. It is. Oh, classic, absolute classic. This is the W7 Honolulu, which is meant to be a dupe for Benefit's Hoola. Just looks like this. And moving across to day 14. And this feels like another lipstick. Yeah, it is. Another lipstick. This is in the shade Back Chat. That sounds like a familiar shade to me. I don't know why. If I've already got this, who knows? That is what that one looks like for day number 14. Day 15 is like another bigger box. Oh my god, there's this full like sponge in here. It's a bit. What happened to you up here? Hello. Hello. But yeah, a full-size sponge. Buzzing with that. That'll soon like go back to its like right chair. But yeah, a little talking sponge. Moving on to day 16, which is a longer one. We have another lip liner. This one is in the shade Brown. This is another lip twister. And that is just what the brown one looks like. Day number 17 is a little square one again. Ooh, this is like a totally different shape. What is this? The Sweet Dreams of Vitamin E, Aloe Vera and Grapeseed Oil Strawberry Overnight Lip Mask. Oh my god, that's actually adorable. That's such a good size. Okay, this advent calendar is so good. Like, you think each door is 74p. Like, that's just, yeah. I'm really impressed, you know. And then we have day number 18. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this one's a weird shape as well. Oh, this is a tiny little Banana Dreams loose powder. These were in the advent calendars last year, and I give them to my mum because they're just a little bit, well, I've not actually tried them, but I just assumed that it'd be a little bit too dark for me. And I thought it'd be really nice for her when she goes on a night out, like to pop in a handbag, but I might actually try it this year because obviously she's got 2 now. Moving on to day number 19, which feels like another lipstick. No, it's not. It is a lip product though. Oh, these are the little tiny glosses again. I gave these to my mum last year as well because they were just perfect for in her like handbag for a night out. So this is the Glamorous Gloss in the shade Red Carpet. Just looks like this. It's like a really sparkly lip gloss. And then day 20 is the same size as this one. And you'll all know day 20 is my birthday. So let's see what's behind door 20 for my happy birthday. Advent calendars need to really impress me on the 20th because it's like an extra present. It's a nude gloss. Yeah, boy. This is the Glamorous Gloss in this shade. What are you called, baby? What are you called? It's called Name and Lights. Okay. So yeah, that is actually a really beautiful gloss. If I ever designed an advent calendar, I'd make sure that door 20 was like banging. Like for me, it's more exciting than door 24. So yeah, we're moving on anyways. Then we have door 21, which is very light. Then we have a little scrunchie. Oh my god, I thought that was a hair on it. It's fluff. I was going to fume then. But no, that's what it looks like. So we have a scrunchie again, 74p. I don't mind having something like that. We haven't really had many fillers in this advent calendar, so I'm happy with that. Date number 22. Ooh, so we have another lip liner. This one is in the shade Pink. It's just this end one here, which is actually a really nice colour. Then we have day number 23, second from last. Oh, and this one opens from the side. All the other ones recently have been opening from the top. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, so it's like a bigger version. This is a clear lip gloss. It's actually a really good size, that. Brill. That's behind day number 23. And then last but not least, and the biggest door of all, we have date number 24. See, this is where I'd be disappointed because I'd be like, a mirror on day 24, you know what I mean? But yeah, we have a little W7 mirror. I thought we were getting away with an advent calendar not having a mirror in it then. Don't know why, but they're just in every single advent calendar. What do they think that we do all the time? We've got phones now, most people as well. Do you think that we're just constantly topping our lipstick up using the mirror from our handbags nowadays? But yeah, I'm not going to lie, I'm absolutely buzzing with that advent calendar. So much better than last year's. Totally understand why like they're really pushing it on the social media this year because it actually is a really good advent calendar, like 74p for each of them doors. Do you want W7? Very impressed, babe. Very impressed. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. If you want me to do a video testing the advent calendar, please let me know. Please don't just say yes for the sake of it though, because I have a lot of videos that I need to film. Only say it if you're really, really desperate for me to film it, because if not, I will be giving some of these like products in here to family, friends, that it goes to a home where it's going to be used. So please only say yes if you desperately want me to do a video on it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you in another video, most likely tomorrow, knowing me. But yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much. If you want to become a Patreon, by the way, everything is linked down below. It costs £1 a month. And yeah, it's amazing. An amazing community to be a part of. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.